These are going to be the elevators at the brand new Opal Sands Resort in Clearwater Beach, Florida. Look at this. And Otis. Newer Series 2 or newer Series 4. Let's see what we got here. It smells good in here. Oh, wow. Yeah, these are the parking deck elevators. Cabs look nice. Must have been what Clearwater Beach used to look like. Let's go down to P1. Newer Series 4. Elevator music. Here's out in the parking. All right, we're gonna go up to 2. Gen2. Oh, whoops, sorry. My bad. I'm gonna get a cab view. Let's hope it doesn't leave. Look at that. All right. And we're gonna exit out here. And there it goes. That's gonna be it.